Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm with my boyfriend Justin and we are going to be filming a boyfriend does my makeup challenge. So this is bound to be interesting.
Jay making a special appearance on your channel.
Special appearance. Yeah, he thinks it's not his beauty channel, so
honestly,
we'll
there's
see
a bunch of products laid out in front of me and I have no idea where any of them go or what to do with them.
Yeah, I figured it would be too hard of me to just leave everything in the drawer and him be overwhelmed by like all of the makeup. So I was like, okay, like pick an eyeshadow palette that you want to work with. He picked that, and then everything else I kind of just laid out. So there's a bunch of lipsticks, a bunch of like face products and everything like that. But he doesn't know what everything is, and I thought he would because he's seen me do my makeup a few times and he watches my videos, so I thought he'd have like a better understanding than this. So I was like, oh no, this might be too hard for him, but we shall see. Okay.
So, welcome to my channel, guys. Taking over. I've seen her use this a lot.
It needs to be washed.
Right now?
No, it's fine. Okay. I'll wash it after.
So, we're gonna start with, I think this.
What is it?
It's some sort of cream that you put on and it makes your face like all like a neutral color, I think.
Okay.
Okay, applying it.
Is there like a real name for it or like?
Like foundation.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I don't know how to apply it.
Okay. Just be careful with the amount that comes out. He's doing this so close to my eye, it's scary.
Hold on. I need to
it's almost out. Oh my god.
I don't know how much to put. Oh my god. Okay. I've seen her do like 1, 2, 3, so there's that. Now follow along, guys, like very carefully, okay? If you want this look. We're gonna take this weird looking like spongy thing.
What's it called? Do you know what it's called?
A beauty blender. Only because like I've seen one of her videos. I don't know which side to use though. That's the difficult thing. I forget. Okay, we're just gonna go in. We're gonna try to like, you know, I don't even know, around the cheekbone area. This is how you use this. And guys, make sure you get under the eye, you know, like that's the place you're gonna want to get. Okay. There it is, guys. Just going in with a few finishing touches. Okay, how are we looking so far? Wow, nice. Okay, next.
Oh my god. Looking very different to the rest of
We're gonna just go in with this classic beauty.
What is that? Tell them what it is.
It's a palette. It says palette on it. I have no idea.
It's on here.
Tartlet?
The Tartlet in Bloom palette.
Oh my god. Okay, and now she has a bunch of these. Like, how am I supposed to choose what one I'm supposed to use? How?
Okay, well I can tell you it's probably not these big brushes.
Oh really? I was gonna choose this one.
For what?
I don't know. Okay, this one.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna take this little brush, and the look I'm kind of going for, I don't know. A nice like subtle going out look, so we're gonna go.
Subtle going out look. I can tell you it's a Sunday and I will not be going out.
We're gonna go with Sweetheart. So I'm dabbing the brush in.
He's digging into the.
What, you're not supposed to? Okay, and we're gonna start obviously on the cheeks. I don't know where.
Oh my god, it's funny right here.
How's it looking?
Crazy.
It looks great.
What do you usually put on the cheeks? Like, why are you putting it on my whole face?
I don't know.
Do you think because it's usually you put powder on the face?
Yeah.
So you're putting eyeshadow on my face?
Oh, this is eyeshadow? Oh my god.
That's why I said pick a palette, like an eyeshadow.
Okay. Okay, close your eyes.
Oh my god.
Okay, we're gonna go with a different color. Can we mix?
You can do whatever you want to do.
Okay, we're gonna go.
This is your channel.
Okay.
It's your beauty channel.
Close your eyes. Wait, don't open them yet. You can't. Don't ruin the surprise. Okay. So guys, you see how I'm going in with the brush thing? Wonderful. There it is. And like it kind of dripped down a little bit, which is fine. It just adds to it. So that's gonna finish up the eyeshadow, guys. Next, we are gonna go in with something for your eye. Where's the mascara? Where is it? Where is it?
I'm not helping you.
Here. Okay. Is this right?
Look how small it is. Does that look like mascara?
What is this?
Okay, fine. I'll tell you what that is. That's brow gel.
Oh.
Give me brow. You guys, this is mascara.
What? It's one of those
That would
little
take
brush-
forever to do your eye.
Okay.
Oh
Here.
my god. Please
Mascara.
don't poke my eye out. Please be careful. Like, I need those things.
Okay. Boom.
Oh, you have me so nervous.
Next, guys, we're gonna go in with, I like this color, so we're gonna go in with this hot lipstick. This is a lipstick, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Here it is.
I'm so
Pucker up.
Oh my god.
Okay, gonna go around.
Oh my god. Is this how you think I do my makeup?
Yeah. Okay. There. Oh my god.
I look like a clown. I purposely, like, I saw that and I was like, should I take that out? And I was like, oh, I'll put it up, but he'll be too afraid to, like, play with the bold card.
No, guys, we're being very bold here, okay? What is this? What is this? But we're gonna go in for it because we need to finish kind of off the face. Okay.
You used the correct brush, which is at least good.
I just picked the biggest one. And oh, guys, you can't forget the neck area.
I mean, he's not wrong.
Okay.
Oh my god.
And dab it, dab it. There's that. Is this the eyebrow thing? Okay.
Be careful, it's kind of broken.
Okay. I don't know where to begin, but
Okay, so you're brushing off my eyebrows.
I don't.
Okay.
Oh wait. Oh, that's that. Oh, I thought
Yeah.
that was the actual pen thing.
No.
Okay.
Okay, oh my god, be
I'm gonna
careful
draw
because it
my
has a
eyebrows.
tendency to, like, fall out because I need a new one.
I don't. We're gonna leave it like that.
I think he's gonna have, like, a new appreciation for, like, how I do
I don't
my
know how.
makeup.
Oh, I want to do the wing thing that you usually do.
The wing thing.
Yeah.
With what are you holding?
Oh wait, with where's the mascara thing?
Wait,
Okay.
you're doing a wing with mascara?
Yeah. How do you usually do it?
With an eyeliner?
Okay, where's that?
I purposely hid that from him, but I guess I'm getting it out now.
Continuing with the look. So we're going for the wing look. Guys, it's coming out great. Like,
Take tips.
oh yeah. So you really want to just pencil that in there.
Wait, is that even connected to my eye? No, it's not.
You have to?
How do I do mine?
I don't know. Okay. There. Connected to the eye. This is a lot harder than it looks, guys. What else? Some finishing spray?
Okay.
Or is there more?
It's whatever you want.
Okay.
It's your makeup look.
Okay, this is the
Just
look.
at least shake it first. That's all I can say because it's glittery. So just at least.
So I know she does this all the time. I see her make the funny face when she puts it on. So,
I'm referring to.
okay, the finisher.
Don't put it so close to my face. Jeez. Oh my god, he just did 3 big sprays, like 1 on each eye and then this corner. of
Guys,
my
there's,
face.
hold on, let it dry. And I know you do this thing.
He's right. Gotta let it dry.
Okay, so show them the look and I'll explain what I was thinking. So I started with the cheekbones, guys. I put on some concealer or something.
You put on eyeshadow.
I put eyeshadow
on like here,
on her
which
cheek.
kind of makes it look like bronzer from like,
Yeah, that's
I
what I
guess
was going
from
for.
afar. But then there's none on the side, so it's like I'm pale here and like bronzed here.
And then we went right in for it. We went for the lips, so really, really bold, guys. Like if you want to stand out.
Yeah, what color did you use? The Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy Liquid Vinyl in, what color is it?
Patiently peach.
Patently.
So yeah, and then I went in with some eyeshadow on the actual eyes. And then put mascara on properly, and then did the wings. So there's the look, guys. How'd I do? Give me a score.
I honestly really had high hopes for you and I thought you were gonna be better.
Oh!
Like this is like, I look like I should go to like I should be a clown now.
Maybe I rushed. I think I rushed a little bit.
You did this in 12 minutes and that's including the intro. And how long do I usually take to do like makeup?
Like an hour.
Like an hour. So he did, it's like he just took what I do and then just sped it up and wasn't careful.
Didn't want to waste time.
Okay, so there is no blending here for the foundation. Like the rest of me looks like, you know what? If you saw me on the streets, I think people would be very afraid of me.
There it is. Boyfriend does your makeup.
Boyfriend does my makeup.
I'll be back, guys, doing her makeup.
He won't never be back doing my makeup. If anything, I'll do your makeup.
Oh god.
Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do his makeup
please
next.
not, please not.
Okay guys, well anyway, this is the finished look, right? Oh my gosh. Right here. I just clicked you. He did try his best, so we should be proud of him. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and definitely stay tuned and like and subscribe to both of our channels. I'll have them both in the comments below. So yeah, bye
See you guys.
guys.